Recently, I came across a Facebook post labeling different brands of petrol with better efficiency, giving you more savings and more power, etc. I have also read some comments saying cost effectiveness is very subjective depending on your driving attitude, car models, and the age of the car. So I made this Excel template to let you do your own experiment. Calculating which brand of petrol you are using will give you higher efficiency. This section is where you input your data every time you refill. It will then calculate kilometer per liter and price per kilometer. On top is the summary for each brand. If you own multiple cars, here you can label it for each car. In my template, white cells or lists with white headers are interfaces for user interaction. Every time you refill, take a photo of your receipt and mileage, then reset the mileage. In the template, input the date, brand, petrol type, total amount, and the mileage when you are refilling. If your location has fluctuating fuel prices, input the price in this column. The template will calculate automatically. There are critical points to take note when using this template for experiment. Each time you refill, you need a full tank. We need a standard or fuel volume control for the experiment to work. We can't determine the exact fuel capacity if we do not refill a full tank. I don't know how to explain this in a more professional way. If you may, help me explain in the comment section.